In today's video, I will teach you how to create an infrared monochrome effect in GIMP. Let's get started. First, open your image in GIMP and right-click the background layer in the Layers dialog and select Duplicate Layer, or simply press Shift-Ctrl-D. Then repeat this process once more. Now, click the eye icon next to the duplicated layers to make them invisible. This ensures you have the original image as a backup in case something goes wrong. The infrared effect simulates the look of photographs taken with an infrared filter. These filters capture light outside the visible spectrum, resulting in high contrast and surreal images. Now we're going to add noise reduction. Click the visible background layer in the Layers panel to make it active. Now focus on areas with noise, such as the clouds. And to select the noisy area, use the Free Select tool or the Lasso tool to draw a selection around the noisy area. And to feather the selection, simply go to Select, then Feather, and set it up to 75 pixels. Now go to Filters, Enhance, then Despeckle, and use the following settings. This reduces the noise in the selected area. And to deselect the selection, simply go to Select, then None. Now we're going to apply Selective Gaussian Blur. To do this, go to Filters, Blur, then Selective Gaussian Blur with the settings of 10 and Max Delta to 13. This smoothens the image while preserving the edges and details. Now, go to Colors, Components, then Channel Mixer. Then experiment with the red, green, and blue sliders to achieve the desired contrast. Avoid pure white or black areas to preserve detail. Now go to Colors, Desaturate, and compare this with your infrared effect image. Notice the difference in the quality and contrast. And to restore the color, make the original background layer visible and set its opacity to 35%, and change the layer mode to color to blend some color back into the image. And to create a dreamy effect, duplicate the grayscale layer and apply Gaussian Blur by going to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and apply a radius between 20 to 40 pixels depending on your image size. Now, adjust the color balance by going to Colors, then Color Balance, and choose a dreamy color. Then set the layer mode to Screen. An optional step is strengthening the effect. To do this, you can duplicate the blurred layer to enhance the dreamy effect. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.